Are you ready for some more Ulta Beauty dills? Not the dill pickle. Y'all are cracking me up. I now know that I do not know how to pronounce the difference between a dill and a deal. That's okay. I still love y'all, and you seem to also love me. I love the ribbing, so bring it on. Today's video is all about Cyber Monday, which happens tomorrow. Ulta Beauty has even more great deals, and I'm gonna break it down for you. Cyber Monday, Ulta Beauty deals are for 38 hours only, okay? That's all you have for these amazing, amazing deals. It starts December 1st and runs through December 2nd. To get a sneak preview of these deals, go to ulta.com/Cyber Monday. I'm gonna talk about the brands that are on sale that I am super excited about, what I'm thinking about putting in my cart, and products that I would recommend from these brands. Tarte, the entire brand will be 30% off. Yes, you heard me correctly, 30% off. I'm gonna be shopping the tubing mascara. I also wanna pick up an extra large tubing mascara. I haven't purchased this one. So I'm wanting to know, does it make your lashes even longer? I'm thinking that's the point of the extra large. Is it not extra large? Maybe it's extra long? I have fallen in love with this mascara, so this is on my list. I also love all of their eyeshadow palettes. I have had multiple different eyeshadow palettes from Tarte in the past. Now, I picked up this amazing Tartelette in Bloom palette for the Black Friday sale. It was also 30% off then as well, and I picked it up for $20. If you didn't get it and you were eyeing it and considering it, now's the time to grab it at 30% off. When I owned this palette years ago, I panned the first 2 rows, like completely went through them. That's how much I love this palette. I wanted it back in my life again, so I did pick it up for Black Friday. I also love this mascara right here. The waterproof version specifically. I used this for years and years, absolutely loved it. I also like their eyeliner and eyeshadow sticks right here. I've got 2 of these currently in my possession. One end has the creamy crayon eyeshadow that you just smooth over your eyes, and then the other end has your eyeliner that goes with it. I love these. They're very quick, easy to throw on in the morning and go out the door. The next brand is Fenty. It will also be 30% off. I am looking at the lip products, specifically the lip glosses at 30% off. I'm thinking of picking up one of these. I had one years ago and loved it. So that, I'm considering that. But if you've been eyeing any of the Fenty products, now's the time to purchase. Benefit is also 30% off. Man, I used to buy years ago in my 20s, all Benefit stuff. Loved Benefit stuff. And I don't know how I just fell away from it. All of their blushes, their powder blushes are fantastic. Beautiful. They last forever. I specifically remember loving their powder products. So if you've been considering a blush or a highlighter, they have excellent ones that will literally last you years. All right, the next brand that I'm super excited about is CLINIQUE. 30% off CLINIQUE. This is an underrated brand. It used to be so popular. Like CLINIQUE used to be like the starter brand, you know, when you first started wearing makeup. I feel like that was CLINIQUE. And you couldn't afford Estee Lauder yet, so you went for CLINIQUE. And it has just been a brand that has stayed in my life for years and years. I have on this lipstick right now. This is the Bare Pop. This is just a regular lipstick. Lip color and primer, rouge intense plus base, 02 Bare Pop. I've had their nude pop. I've had their plum pop. That was one I recently got. I am gonna pick one of these up because you can see I'm almost done with this one. I pretty much buy a new Clinique lipstick every year because I go through it so fast. One of the cool things specifically about this packaging is it has the mirror on it. So if you're someplace and you need to reapply your lipstick, you can just look in the mirror on the lid. I also recommend the Clinique Cleansing Balm. People love that one and swear by it. It not only takes all of your all your makeup off, it takes off all your sunscreen as well at the end of the day. It will take off your waterproof mascara. I personally love the cleansing oil because it comes in a pump. So I just put 2 to 3 squirts and then wash my face and then follow with my regular facial cleanser every night. And then the Clinique All About Eyes, I love that one. That is my go-to for taking off my eye makeup. They also have really good hand creams. They have really good face scrubs. If you want to get a great gift for the man in your life, get them Clinique Men's line. They have a face wash. They have a face scrub that my husband absolutely loves. I used to purchase him every Christmas, every holiday or birthday. I would get him a pack of the face scrub. He loved it so much. And I'm thinking of picking up some of the men's line this go around as well. All right, TULA, also 30% off. Why have you not tried TULA? TULA has some great products. Their sunscreen, right here, their sunscreen. If you love a glow, this is a fantastic sunscreen. It looks beautiful under foundation and makeup. It gives that glow from within. There's no white cast. It's all chemical UV filters. The sunscreen has probiotics, I do believe it. It's fantastic. I love their cult classic purifying face wash. That's what I currently use right now. I've repurchased multiple times. It really gives your skin a deep clean. I've also been eyeing their moisturizers. During Black Friday, they had a sale on their moisturizers, and those were intriguing to me. 30% off of Olaplex. I still haven't tried Olaplex, y'all, but everybody loves Olaplex. Nobody gave me suggestions for curly hair Olaplex products. But if you're watching this and you use Olaplex and you have curly hair, let me know what's your favorite product down below, because I would love to try something from Olaplex. Another brand that I absolutely love is IT Cosmetics. It will also be 30% off. I'm using the brow. I don't know what it's called. Brow Power Universal Taupe. Everything I talk about will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure to check below for it'll have all my recommendations. Ones I've talked about here in this video and ones that I've forgotten to talk about. My favorites will be linked down below. Their foundation is great. They have a powder foundation that's fantastic. They have the Confidence in a Cream, moisturizers, eye creams, all fantastic. I feel like IT Cosmetics had its heyday and is not as popular today and is therefore underrated because they still have fantastic products. And then the last brand that I wanted to mention that's going to be 40% off is the ULTA brand itself. So if there's anything that you've been wanting to try from the ULTA Beauty brand, now's the time to pick it up. It'll be 40% off. These make great gifts. They have body washes, hand soaps, they have candles, they have all sorts of makeup and eyeshadow and lip products that make excellent gifts for other people in your life. Is Cyber Monday one of those days where you shop for other people, or do you shop for yourself? Let me know. Remember, these deals are for 38 hours only. Once they're gone, they won't be back for a while. I'll see you in the next one. Have fun shopping. Bye.